So hi, I'm called Ismail Kwizerwa, and I'm here to present my assignment according to Oracle database. So first, I'm going to enter in Oracle, my Oracle, use this command, and here I'm gonna to put my password. So after that, you see, I'm in Oracle, my Oracle. So I'm gonna type a command which is called SQL plus, and it helps us to see if our database instance are configured well, and it helps us to enter in MySQL. So SQL plus equal sys dba. So as you see, our database is connected now, and it's already in already in MySQL. So, and here we're gonna to type another command which is called the alter session set container equal cdbs sload that can help us to enter in our load database. So as we see session altered, so now we are in SQL as before. So we're gonna to see all programmable database that I have in my Oracle. Show PDBS. As you see, we have a list of database, but that in my user I created that on number 4. We have a small which are granted to read and write, and it's illustrated with none. So number 5 is Nukwizerwa and have a lead to write and have not registered, and number 6 we have the small template. This is database template that is no amounted. So as we see, we do exit to disconnect our database. So now we are going to log in my programmable DB, which is called the smell. I have to write the SQL process before. SYS DBA that can help to see if our database instance are they well configured. So now we are in SQL. So we are going to type alter session set contain, and after equal we put our database we want to show Simeon. So session altered as we see. So on here we have to describe a table that I created in my DB, which is called the smell, and my table is called family, and we are going to show this desk it describe. So as we see in our table we have it 3 attributes. First is ID, and it declared as auto increment, and that have another which is called f name for name, and that are our attribute. So we should see all values which are entered in our table, which is called the family. No, sorry for that, is not inside. let me select all values which is in our table. Select all from family. Family is the name of our table. As we see, this one is about auto increment, and this is the values that I entered. As you see, and this is about the first database, which is called the Simeon, and as we shown before, this is a family table, and we are gonna to do exit for continue for another database that I created before. So we have it to exit. So, and after exit, we come in SQL plus. As to enter in our SQL again, SYS. So as we see, we come in alter session set contain. So first we have to see our database that we have. We want to enter the nuke 0 DB. So we have the more DB that I can enter the so, but we want to enter in nuke 0. So alter session set contain equal, then we put the name of database that we want to enter in nuke 0. As you see, session altered. So we have to describe a table which is in my database, which is called doctor. As I told before, the desk is in full is described as a command that I used. As we see, we have three attributes, which is called fname. So sorry, ID, fname, last name, and district. So we have to insert another row in my DB, in my table, sorry, insert into doctor's fname, last name, and district. Bracket the values we have to enter the data. As you know, ID is auto increment, so we're having to assign these values. go to Kalonji district. So now as we see our load are entered in a table. So let's select our table and let's show if the load that are added is in. Select the all from doctor. So as we see our column, our load is in our table. So this is our data that we put. As we see, F name it comes there, last name is there, and district that I put Kalonji and is there. So and here we have it to do exist for to see about database template. And you have to come in SQL plus as before. SQL SQL plus as S Y S DBA database administrator. This comes in SQL, so you have it to write alter session set contain, then after contain you have to put the name of template that I created before. So you have to put small template. It's show before it's show our template is called the small template. So let's write our command which is called alter session alter session set contain, and then let's put the name of template that we created. Not to put small template. So here in this template we should create another database, another tables as we did in a root and in other users. So as we see, added created. So thank you. This is my assignment that I did about that, about creating database, to create the programmable database, about template, about database template. You have to do exit, and thank you for watching. Thank you.